Hello student, welcome to the Pragati Vidyapeeth. This is your GK teacher Anjul Mishra and I hope you all are fine at your home and enjoying this quarantine time with your family and friends. So today again we will gain some knowledge about general knowledge. So in this video we will learn about current affairs of April month. So today's topic is current affairs of April month. So let's begin. In this video we will talk about top 20 current affairs of April month which are very useful to you, as you all know that in April month the hot topic was coronavirus. So many of the questions are based on coronavirus and some are related to other field also. So let's see and gain the knowledge which will help you in your exams. So let's begin. So in the series of 20 questions of current affairs, first question is in front of you. Question number first, coronavirus mainly affect which part of the body? Very important question, student. Coronavirus mainly affect which part of the human body? So for this question I will give you 5 seconds only, student. So here are your 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, so I hope so many students have already guessed the answer of this question. The answer of this question is lungs. Yes students, lungs is mainly affected part of our body by the coronavirus. It is typically affect the respiratory system, causing symptoms such as coughing and shortness of breath. Some people, including older adults, are at risk of severe illness from these viruses. So keep yourself safe and your family also. Let's move to the next question. So here we go. Another question is in front of us. Name the test used to diagnose the presence of coronavirus in the body. Very important, student, to know whether the patient is suffering from coronavirus or not. The test is used to diagnose the presence of coronavirus in the body is, again you have 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So the correct answer of this question is, students, RT-PCR. Yes student, the correct answer of this question is RT-PCR is the test used to diagnose the presence of coronavirus in the body. So remember this thing, student, RT-PCR is the test. Let's move to the next question. Yes, another question is in front of us. According to the Oxford COVID-19 report, student, this report is generalized by the Oxford University. So according to the Oxford COVID-19 report, which country is doing best in fight with COVID-19? Very easy question, I think. All can give the answer, those who are watching this video right now. So for this question also 5 seconds, students. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So the correct answer of this question is none other than our country, India. Yes student, India is doing best fight with COVID-19 according to the Oxford University. So this is the very proud movement for us that we are doing very well and we are obeying all the orders given by our government, our honorable Prime Minister also. So let's see what happened, but we are doing our best. Be safe, stay safe at your home. Let's move to the next. Yes, another question which we have that is also very important, student. Recently, the Minister of Home Affairs exempted which industry from lockdown restrictions? In all over India, lockdown is going on and it will continue for I don't know so many days. So some industry has been locked. Some industries has been restricted from this lockdown. So here is one industry which we are talking about. So for this question also, I am giving you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the answer of this question is fishing and aquaculture. Fishing and aquaculture is exempted industry from lockdown restriction. Students, aquaculture involves cultivating freshwater and saltwater populations under controlled conditions and can be contrasted with commercial fishing. So these are exempted from the lockdown restrictions. Now let's move to the next. Next question is in front of us. Recently, which exercise has been postponed by Indian Navy due to novel coronavirus? This is also very important question. And if you have watching your daily news and listening to your parents, then you can easily give the answer of this question. So the answer of this question is, student, Milan 2020. Students, Milan 2020 is a drill of naval forces in which around 40 countries has to be participated. It will held in Visakhapatnam, but it has been postponed due to novel coronavirus. So Milan is the exercise which has been postponed by the Indian Navy due to novel coronavirus. That's it. This is also very important question, student. Now let's move to the next. Next question is in front of us. Which Indian state has launched Break the Chain campaign to combat coronavirus? Yes, students. Today in our country, so many states are fighting with this coronavirus with different techniques they are using, different campaign they are using. So here is one campaign, Break the Chain. So the question is, in which Indian state this campaign is launched to combat coronavirus? So your 5 seconds are going to be start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, students, the correct answer of this question is Kerala. Yes, student, Kerala is the Indian state which started the campaign which name Break the Chain. Student, it is launched to fend off the COVID-19 spread in the wake of a second wave of infections after a virus carrier family returning from Italy had created a cluster in Pathanamthitta district. So with one person, so many people are affected. So it is very important to keep ourselves safe at this time. Let's move to the next question. Which app has been launched by Punjab state for COVID-19? A very important question. Which app has been launched by Punjab state for COVID-19? So for this question also, I am giving 5 seconds, students. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So the correct answer of this question is Kova Punjab. Yes, student, Kova Punjab is the app which has been launched by Punjab state for COVID-19. A unique inbuilt feature in this app is helping the people of Punjab stay safe by allowing them to check the distance from the nearest COVID-19 positive person and also alerting them district administration if a quarantine patient move beyond 100 meters of her or his base location. So now you can understand, student, how useful this app is. So Kova app is launched by Punjab government. Let's move to the next question. Question number 8, student, which Indian city has become the first to use drones to sanitize the city? Which Indian city has become the first to use drones to sanitize the city COVID-19? Student, the correct answer of this question is no. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes. So I hope so many students have guessed the answer of this question. So the city which has become the first to use drones to sanitize the city with COVID-19, answer is Indore, the cleanest city of our India. So Indore is the first city, student. Remember this thing. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 9. Very important question. Operation Shield is launched by which Indian state? Operation Shield is launched by which Indian state? So student, the correct answer of this question is 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. The correct answer of this question is Delhi. Student, Delhi is the correct answer of this question. Is actually on April 9, Delhi government announced Operation Shield to combat the highly contagious virus. This will carried out in 21 areas of Delhi to contain the spread of the novel coronavirus. So Operation Shield is launched by Arvind Kejriwal, the Chief Minister of Delhi. So, and it is announced on 9th of April. Remember this thing also, student. Let's move to the next question. Next question which we have is, recently which country has lifted the ban on the export of hydroxychloroquine? I hope you all are very familiar with this word, hydroxychloroquine. So it is currently being studied for the treatment and prevention of coronavirus disease. And recently which country has lifted the ban on the export of this medicine? So the country is none other than our country, India. Yes, friend, India has lifted the ban on export of hydroxychloroquine for the prevention and treatment of coronavirus disease. Let's move to the next question. Here is the next question in front of us. On which day World Health Day is observed? World Health Day is observed on which day? So 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. The correct answer of this question is, students, 7th of April. 7th April is observed as World Health Day. So let's move to the next question now. Yes, another important question. Who has become the first judge of J&K, Jammu and Kashmir High Court, to take oath under the Indian Constitution? Student, as you all know, recently Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh has become the union territories after the eradication of Article 370. So the question arises, who has become the first judge of Jammu and Kashmir High Court to take oath under the Indian Constitution, the most important point is under the Indian Constitution. So the correct answer of this question is Justice Rajneesh Oswal. Yes, student, Justice Rajneesh Oswal has become the first judge of Jammu and Kashmir. Let's move to the next question. Here we have our next question, very interesting and important question. Recently, Modi Kitchen has been started to serve 500 meals per day for the poorest in which Indian state? Student, this is very proud moment for us that our people, our country people are so kind, so that they are helping the poor people, and they are started this kitchen to serve 500 meals per day to the poor people. So in which state it has been started? Student, it is started in Koval, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. The state name is Tamil Nadu, and these are the places in which this Modi Kitchen is running. So this is also very important question, student. 500 meals per day they are delivered to the poor, and they are helping them to survive. Let's move to the next question. Yes, next question. Recently, which country Princess Maria Theresa became the first to die from COVID-19? So, coronavirus doesn't see any caste, any religion, any status. It affects only the human body. It knows the human body. So, which country Princess Maria Theresa became the first to die from COVID-19? So the answer is Spain. Yes, student, Maria Theresa is the princess of Spain, and she is the first to die from COVID-19. Let's move to the next question. Yes, next question is in front of us. Which Indian state has launched 5T action plan to combat with COVID-19? The main point is, student, 5T. What is 5T? And the question is, which Indian state? These 2 points are very important. What is 5T, and which Indian state has launched this 5T? First of all, let me tell you about something. 5T. What is 5T? So 5T here are denoting 5 words which are very useful to fight with COVID-19. So first T is testing. In COVID-19, testing is very important, students, because by the testing we can identify the patient who are suffering from COVID-19. Now the next T is tracing. The people who came in contact with the COVID-19 patient or COVID-19 victim, to trace them is also a big task here. So first T is testing, second T is tracing. Now we will come to the third T. Third T is treatment. After identification, after tracing them, treatment is required. So in treatment, best medical facilities, best hospital, best kit, everything the government has to be provided. Now, so first is testing, then tracing, then treatment. Now the another means fourth T is teamwork. To fight with COVID-19, teamwork is very important. All police worker, doctors, nurses, all have to fight. The people who are staying at their home, the people who are doing work from home, the people who are doing work from outside. So this is the teamwork. So teamwork is required very much. And the last is tracking and monitoring. tracking and monitoring. Student, tracking and monitoring shows whatever plans we have decided, whatever campaign we have decided which are running, that thing are running easily or not, properly or not, systematically or not. So here these are the 5T action plan: testing, tracing, and teamwork, and tracking and monitoring. So in which Indian state it has been launched? The correct answer of this question is Delhi. In Delhi, this 5T action plans has been launched. Let's move to question number 16, which we have in front of us. The 19th Asian Games will held in which country? The 19th Asian Games will held in which country? 5 seconds for you, student. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. The correct answer of this question is China. 19th Asian Games will held in China. It is held in Hangzhou from September 10 to 25, 2022. So student, remember this thing. The 19th Asian Games will held in which country? China. From which date to which date? It is September 10 to 25 September 2022. Let's Yes, the next question which we have is, which bank has started its services on WhatsApp? This is also very important question. Which bank has started its services on WhatsApp? Again you have 5 seconds, students. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Time is up, and your correct answer is ICICI Bank. Nearly 6,200 people, most of them with history of travel to foreign nation or others affected status in India, are kept under home quarantine in Janjir Chania district. So to avoid all these type of systems, to avoid the gathering of the people, this has been done, and ICICI Bank has started its services on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next question. How many years you need to become a permanent member of Jammu and Kashmir? Now student, in our Indian Constitution applies in Jammu and Kashmir also, but some differences there still. So the correct answer of this question is at least 15 years. So after 15 years you can become a permanent member of Jammu and Kashmir. Which state has launched Raksha Sarv app for quarantine people? So students, the correct answer of this question is Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh is the state which has launched Raksha Sarv app for quarantine people. Nearly 6,200 people are affected there, and so many people have came from foreign nation, and they have affected some other people in our India also. So they are kept in quarantine. So to make them comfortable there and to monitoring them, Raksha Sarv app has been launched for those people. Let's move to the next question. Who has written the book Messiah Modi, A Tale of Great Expectation? Very, very important question, students. The correct answer of this question is Tavleen Singh. Tavleen Singh has written this book based on Modi, A Tale of Great Expectation. So these are our 20 questions of current affairs of April month. I hope you all will like and we will do something more to give you information. Till then, be safe, stay at your home, and see all the videos which your teachers are uploaded and giving to you. These are for you only, students. And do your worksheet, do your work in your notebook. Till then, thank you and goodbye.